everyone and welcome to Sara Just Curry. Sara Just Curry is about Sara, which is me, and curry, which is the food I love to cook. So the food I love to cook is traditional, authentic Hyderabadi cuisine. This is the food I have grown up with and also the food that has been passed down through generations of recipes by amazing and fantastic cooks in my family. My favourite part of cooking is sharing the food that I love to prepare and also the recipes that I'm using. And I love finding out how everybody has found these and enjoyed them. So we will be going on a culinary adventure in my videos. We will be using some authentic exotic spices, but at the same time we will also be using some store cupboard home ingredients which most people will have at home, and we will be using these ingredients to excite and incite your family's palate. So do join me on this amazing journey and follow and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to carry on cooking.